Hi, this is Bill Bodery from MarketTimingResearch.com, and we just completed the August S&P 100 and Nasdaq 100 newsletters, and I want to show you how you can use these newsletters to find what we call perfect trades or perfect setups. Now, they don't always work, and SEC, FTC disclaimers apply, all the legal disclaimers. We're not telling you the stocks will go up. We're not telling you to trade. We're not inviting you or recommending that you buy or sell shares, but we just want to show you how you can find trade setups every month. Now, each of these newsletters covers 100 stocks, so you normally will find 20 to 30 patterns that are really good, where everything is going in line with each other and you have a high correlation with the past price, so that you know that it's predicting well. You usually like to see a number of around 77 or 70% here. And in those, of those 20 to 30 shares that you find in each newsletter, only 8 to 12 look really good. Okay, really good patterns. And even in August, which is the worst trading time of the year for seasonals, you usually can find some really good setups. So that's what I want to do. I want to show you two longs and two shorts. The first one is Altria Group, okay, MO, and this is from our S&P newsletter. You can see that the normal green seasonal line is up. The orange projection line is up strongly during this particular month. We know from our newsletter the cycles are pointing up right now. And look at the stock. It's made a breakout recently. So other people are recognizing that, hey, maybe this seasonal is going to be the thing to follow. So this is a share that normally I would consider going into. But that's just me. I'm not recommending you doing the same thing. What about Celgene? All right, Celgene, same thing. Our normal seasonal goes up right about now. The factor seasonal, the orange projection line, is going up. And you take a look at this. It was predicting a low in July. The low came earlier than what we predicted, but this is much better than normal seasonals that people use, where you can see it was predicting the low in April. And its neighbor here, Cephalon, were predicting a low by the seasonals in mid-August, but this is not a share I'd normally want to get in on, okay? And you can see why. All right, that's on the long side. What about on the short side? Can you find short opportunities, or put opportunities, or covered call opportunities, whatever your strategy is for trading the market, if you have the newsletter? Every month you get longs and shorts. That's why I like to have a market neutral strategy. I like to play both ends of the market, and that way I don't usually worry about it. I go to sleep well at night. I don't worry about either direction of the market. Ryanair is one of them, RYAAY, and you can see the normal seasonal line goes down, and the orange projection line is saying that, hey, look, this guy is going down. In fact, this thing has factor seasonal support. Even during business expansions, it tends to go down in August. So how would you trade this? What you do is you normally look for some type of trend confirmation signal, all right? Some trend following signal. Never bet on the seasonal alone. Wait till price triggers a signal. All right, and what I did is I drew a trend line, and there was a break, so most people would get short here, or they might have gotten short looking for that here with the Fisher transform or the MACD trigger signal. It's gone up against you, but like I said, there's still time, and you just basically look for these setups, create a portfolio of them, and that's what I do all month long, and it just works wonders. All right, JBHT is the last one that we can take a look at in the 5 minutes that were allotted for this video. So if we take a look at JBHT, this is another short. We already saw two longs, so we're going to see two shorts. JB Hunt Transport Services, look at this. Not just the regular seasonal, but the factor seasonal also goes strongly down during this period. All right. In fact, this is a large portion of the trading range of the year. 20, 40, 60, 80% drop of the trading range of the year, and this is the trend since 1991. All right, so if we put in JBHT, what you would be doing is the same thing. You're thinking to yourself, because you have the newsletter, this is a guy I might go short. You set up a trend line as a system trigger to get in, or you look for a MACD signal. It hasn't triggered that yet. If it does, you might get a lot of people piling in on the short, and it already has a Fisher transform, though this one is a little bit ugly. All right, so that's how you do it. You find setups like this every month. You don't have to trade them. You can find them on the longs and shorts, and every month you get at least 8 to 12 what I call stellar setups, longs and shorts, and it's just up to you to find them and trade them the way you like. Bill Bodery, good trading. I hope you have a real good luck with these newsletters. They're fantastic.